Hey there, Silvester here. So I finally got my hands on the Galaxy S21 Plus, and this is my first impressions. So the first thing that you would notice is a much slimmer box, and this is because Samsung has decided to ditch the adapter as well as the Type-C headphones. Now I would be lying if I did not tell you that the slimmer box actually looks much more appealing. Now I get that Samsung is marching ahead towards reducing e-waste and protecting the environment by not giving us the charging adapter, and I would agree to this. But for a phone that costs 82,000 Indian rupees, not getting the headphone is a big disappointment. Now let's quickly take a look at the contents of the box. We'll get the phone itself, the SIM ejector pin, some documentations and the Type-C data cable. Now let's keep all this aside and move towards the Galaxy S21 Plus.
The phantom violet with gold bezels make the phone look vibrant and is my personal favorite. With the new matte finish on the back of the glass, this phone doesn't just feel premium but also hides the fingerprints.
So Samsung has gone for a new contra-cut design for the camera shell. This camera shell is now covered fully in metal, making it much more durable than glass. Also, I kinda like this as it is much more appealing to the human eye.
The camera module does have a noticeable bump. A phone case is surely recommended to give you that additional protection and peace of mind. The Galaxy S21 Plus comes with Android 11 and One UI 3.1 right out of the box, giving you a very smooth and effortless experience with the phone. One thing to keep in mind is that Samsung has changed the position of the SIM tray from the top and moved it to the bottom, and if you notice carefully, it is right next to the microphone, so be careful or else you might poke the microphone and damage it.
For those who are a big fan of BTS, Samsung includes this pack of cards which contains each and every member of the BTS boy band. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, do remember to hit that subscribe button, give a like, and a comment would also be appreciated. Silvester here, until next time.